Hello everyone. Today is the last day of the presentation. I am Khushi Rathod. My topic is Lens of Inequality, a cinematic study of frame in Article 15 movie. This is my personal information. This is my research question and hypothesis. A research question: how does the cinematic framing in Article 15 visually represent and critique caste-based inequality in India? This is table of content. First, start with the Article 15. Directed by Anubhav Sinha, written by Gaurav Solanki and Anubhav Sinha. Cinematography is Ivan. Production company Banaras Media Works, Z Studio. Article 15 released in 28 June 2019. Film overview of the Article 50. The Article 50 title is a represent Indian Constitution, which see the discrimination of the grounds of religion, race, class, sex, of place of birth. Such discrimination was clearly throughout the local police force as presented in the film. Article 50, Anubhav Sinha, searching film about the engrossed by the caste system in the modern day India does not play it cool. Inspired by the many rape cases in the movie, to see the gang rape of the three 15 years old because of they belong to the lower caste. In this movie, to see the case related three young women in that who had gone missing just before Ranjan's arrival, not long after his arrival. It is revealed that they worked in a local tannery and where from the Dalit family, Dalit being untouchable or outside the caste system. Ranjan is quite unused to caste being an issue and realize how different things are in rural areas. This is the movie in the other characters. Conceptual framework in a film study to in many elements: composition, lighting, color palette, perspective, to make the film, to see how the character focus light, to see the emotions, color through the situation, perspective to camera angle through the perspective, high angle, low angle, to see how the societal situation, to see in the Article 15, to see the frames, the emphasize the social disparities and bring the audience closer to the harsh reality and the caste oppressions. Connecting frame to social inequality. In the Article 15, to see the how the physical and emotional distance between the privileged and oppressed, the oppressive weight of tradition and caste hierarchy. Purpose to the visual storytelling in the film, to create empathy to the audience in the struggle of the marginalized people. Film through the in society, aware to the how marginalized people treat in the society, to make abstract concept of like caste discrimination and cinematic technique in Article 50. Mise-en-scene, to see the how the props character in the image. Lighting, the use of lighting, contrasting lighting symbolize the truth and hope. Color palette, red and yellow as the symbol of the danger and resilience. Camera work, in the movie, many angles to see, high angle, low angle, wide angle, to see how the situation to in movie to capture. First frame, opening scene. In the movie, to see how the opening scene in the first third, to see how the car scene to high angle shot and slowly to see in Anubhav Sinha, sorry, Ayushmann Khurrana's car in the to एक one book. That name is the Jawaharlal Nehru in Discovery of India, to focus and zoom in and slowly to low angle and face to see how the looking out his car window to see the Ayushman Khurrana's face. Symbolize the detachment and the privilege. The view emphasizes the physical and emotional distance between the rural area and in city. Contrast environment to see the Ayushman Khurrana to enter the rural area. How the color to see the rural area and city environment, and lighting to see the how the the hero Ayushman Khurrana to new world and challenges. To see the high angle Ayushman's face to capture the low angle and enter the village. Second, discovery of the girl's body to see the how the two girls body to tree. This is the white shot. The tree stands starting in the center and surrounded by silent watching the villagers. Second frame. This is the mute the color. How to see the in early morning scene to light struggle break the through the symbolize the truth and moral darkness. How the see in the photo to societal reality and darkness. This is the see the camera angle create the brutality and the crime. This is the scene how the darkness and slowly and steadily to focus on the tree in the two girls. And last scene to see the how zoom out to hold the people and tree and girls too. Third frame, protest march. Symmetric frame to see how the police and contrast like the people to see the represent the clash between oppressed and the system. To see the people land high wise to see, and secondly to see oppressed left and system. Close up shot. Second image to see the how the iron face to close up, and third to see the how the protester show anger because of the justice to girls. See one like the one opinion to see the how the prisons look like, and see the how the protester to police to see how the justice. Symbols in frames to the image to see how the water in movie. First in to see the hope to evidence to slowly to catch up and justice the two girls, and one missing, totally three girls justice. Rain signifies cleansing and the renewal, while the swamp symbolize the decay and the systemic corruption. Social politic context to see the reality the in the our society, how to injustice the lower class people and politician to how their time to see how to low class people to help him, and photographs to see their time politics. Caste-based discrimination is the ancient to contemporary times. Marginalized Dalit, other low caste groups denied the access education, land, opportunity. Discrimination manifests in various forms such as education, job, and housing. Crimes against Dalits, such as the honor killing, sexual violence, and denial of the rights, are still widespread. Other example to Meena Swami, one is to see how the Dalit girl to treat, and political parties often use caste dynamic to mobilize voter, perpetuating caste identity for electoral gain. Political like reservation aim to provide equity, but have also sparked debates over affirmative action and caste-based politics. To see how the politics, your time, their time, election to vote, and now see the Baba Saheb Ambedkar, and he represent the Dalit community, and how the politics, sorry, election time to low caste people to sit and eat, and how the media capture. Second, to see the how low caste people in contemporary time, to see that work in low caste people in movie, to see the that Ayana enter the rural, that time in a car to driver to see. No, low caste people to share is not good. Conclusion. Article 15 uses the cinematic frames and storytelling to expose the caste-based inequality in India, critiquing systemic oppression while the sparking dialogue and social justice through the symbolic imagery and powerful performance. It highlights the role of cinema as a tool for raising awareness and promoting equality. The films serve as a call to action, urging society to confront in the entire hierarchy for a more just and inclusive future. In the movie to in society, movie through cinema through to see marginalized people's situation in their work to awareness in society's people. This is the references. Thank you. If any question you ask me.
So, my question is, according to you, how is the use of fog in this movie article?
Yes, sir. In the movie, to see use of the fog in uh, two girls rape in hanging the tree. That time to see actor Aryan to enter. That time to see fog in represent the tension, reveal the truth of the society, privilege to have to treatment in the marginalized people. Okay, this is the use of fog in the movie.
See, my question is, can you provide some example of other Bollywood movies which explore the themes similar to the movie article?
Yes, sir. Many movie to similar themes to article movie like Masan, second Drishyam, Lunchbox movie to similar the see societal marginalized people identity to represent in the movie. Okay, thank you.